गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, जो भी जब मुझे सुन रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग। दिस इज़ अंकिता अरोरा। छोटा सा वीडियो है ये बताने के लिए कि ऑन 30th of July 8:30 p.m. okay, at night we will be connecting at Zoom. Okay, we will be connecting at Zoom. Why we will be connecting at Zoom? We will be connecting to analyze the paper of DT and IDT. Ma'am, analysis of paper of IDT and DT means we will be analyzing past 5 years paper. Yes, past 5 year trend of the ICI we will be analyzing for the DT and IDT, and as well as we will be discussing how the exemption batch will be going on. Okay, this will be a 40 to 45 days batch that will include your test, that will include your exam also, one exam after the completion of entire course. So I will be discussing everything over there. All your doubts will be sorted out there. Why I am giving you an extra time for analyzing the paper? The reason is very simple. If you are studying something, you should actually know the objective of studying that subject, okay, and how the ICI is moving, how the papers are being made, what is the objective, what they are trying to test us on. Everything we should know, and we will proceed accordingly. Because when you will be studying with me, you will find that all the chapters I will make you learn in all the chapters, that how to make sorting of the chapter. What is sorting of the chapter, you will come to know when you will join my batch. So that sorting of the chapter will help you to analyze this paper also. So we will be analyzing the paper for DT IDT past 5 year paper, how ICI is moving, what is the trend of ICI, and that is going to be obviously very 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 important. And once the students get to know the objective of these two subjects, obviously then they will be knowing how we will be preparing for exemption, how the preparation for exemption will be moving during my batches. Now, talking about law, I will be explaining in that session only. On 30th July, I will be explaining how we will be moving for law. Okay, which book we will be using, which question book we will be referring. So at least you will have some time to adjust that books, arrange that book. Why I want I want to you to be very 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 precise about the books you are going to use. I will, in that video only, I will be telling, it will be a live video, okay. I will be telling the way of reading, the way of writing, okay, the technique, how to control your mind, your panic level, everything I will be telling in one session. Okay, why? Because obviously if I am giving 45 days, I want you to be clear about the way I make you do studies. And I assure you will find that actually, okay, this is the difference between actual preparation for exemption. Because many of the students were preparing for exemption till now also, but they failed to get it. What is the reason? Might be there are some mistakes we are making, might be we are lacking in writing the answers, there might be things like we don't interpret the things, because we have to understand between the lines. When you are reading now, reading requires understanding between the lines. So there are many things in that 2 hour session you will find. Now, link for this 2 hour session will be shared only with those students who have filled their weakness form. Ma'am, what is this weakness form? See, all the students who have showed their willingness to join my batch, I have given them a weakness form. This weakness form includes all the details that you would be filling honestly, that what are your weakness, how many attempts you have given, because I analyze that weakness form, and on the basis of analysis of that weakness form, I will be designing your practice session. I will be moving in that way to convert your weakness into strength during this batch. So you have to mandatory file that weakness form, because link will be shared only to those students who have filed their weakness form. Okay, now after this I guess I have given you all the information about this 30th live session. So do enroll. How many seats are left? Only 4 seats are left in DT IDT, as well as I guess in law 6 seats are left. Because after 20 students, I will not be taking anyone for enrollment. The reason is very clear. I want to give personal attentions, and all those 20 students who will be joining with me, I just want they should be 101% prepared about the subject they are joining with me, because I want precision. I want to be very precise. I want them to be crystal clear about the concept. So personal attention for me, I can give only 20 students the personal attention, I guess. And so only 20 students will be enrolling with me for the class. Okay, so do enroll. Only 3-4 students are left for DTIDT, and as I said, law, only 6 students are left. So do enroll. If you don't think this one is helpful for you, so you can share this video with other people, other student, other friends who might find it very helpful. Okay, चलो मिलते हैं at 30 जुलाई 8:30 to 10:30. वी विल बी मीटिंग देयर. सबके वीडियो ऑन रहने चाहिए. जूम लाइव क्लास रहेगी, वीडियो ऑन रहना कंपलसरी है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई विल बी टेलिंग यू ओवर देयर. ओके, बाय बाय.